Today on Cooking with Barry, we're whipping up an Easter classic, deviled eggs. Slice 6 hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise. Pop the yolks into a large bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Now add half a teaspoon of pepper. Then add half a tablespoon of relish and half a tablespoon of mustard. And don't forget 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Mix it all together until smooth and delicious. Spoon the mixture into a plastic bag. Not yet, Barry. Cut a small piece off of the end of the bag and pipe the mixture into... Wait, Barry! Pipe the mixture into the eggs. Next, add paprika to taste. You can add as little or as much as you'd like. Now all that's left to do is share with a friend. Hey, get back here, Barry. Here you go. Happy Easter, everyone.